Hi all! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, and for today's video and content, another camera review na naman tayo sa isang Android phone. Previously, we have a camera review sa S22 Ultra, and since napansin ko na marami talagang may gusto ng camera review ng Android phone, I decided na i-camera review naman si S24 Ultra. So tara mga ka-J-Vlog, check that. Before we go ahead and check this camera, I just want to share some quick specification first with this Samsung S24 Ultra. So we have here Samsung S22 Ultra, and this was released last year, 2024. So meron siyang size na 6.8 inches, na meron dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X, na merong 120 Hz refresh rate. Pagdating naman sa body build nitong ating Samsung S24 Ultra, yung front and back details niya is a Corning Gorilla Armor na meron titanium frame na grade 2. Sa IP feature naman itong S24 Ultra, meron siyang IP68 dust light and water resistant. Sa chipset naman mga ka-J-Vlog, meron siyang Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 na meron GPU na Adreno 750 at Android 14 sa kanyang OS na cover na One UI 6.1. Si S24 Ultra mga ka-J-Vlog ay merong quad camera. Yung main camera niya ay merong 200 megapixel at meron siyang telephoto na 10 megapixel, periscope telephoto na 50 megapixel at ang kanyang ultra wide na 12 megapixel. Sa video resolution naman ng main camera niya mga ka-J-Vlog, meron siyang 8K resolution na merong 24 to 30 FPS and cover pa rin po ito ng 4K resolution natin na may 30, 60 and 20 FPS. Sa selfie camera naman mga ka-J-Vlog, meron siyang 12 megapixel. And when it comes naman sa video recording, sa selfie camera niya, meron itong 4K resolution na merong 30 to 60 FPS. Pagdating naman sa storage ng ating Samsung S24 Ultra, so meron tayong 256GB na meron 12GB of RAM, meron tayong 512GB na meron 12GB of RAM, at meron tayong pinakamataas nila na storage which is yung 1TB na meron 12GB of RAM. So sa color naman, meron tayong 7 colors when it comes sa ating S24 Ultra. So meron tayong dito titanium black, titanium green, titanium violet, titanium yellow, titanium blue, titanium green, and also yung titanium orange. So right now, ang meron tayo is yung titanium gray. Yun yung i-review natin today. Of course, hindi din nagpakabog sa battery itong si S24 Ultra. Kasi sa kanyang battery, meron itong 5,000 mAh battery capacity. Which means, pwedeng-pwede itong pang gaming at pang matagalan din itong phone na to. So that is just a quick specification when it comes sa ating S24 Ultra. So let's go ahead and proceed checking the camera of this Android phone. So here is our titanium green S24 Ultra. As you can see, ang ganda pa rin talaga ng design and display nitong S24 Ultra. So let's open this first and then proceed checking the camera. So we have here 0.6. I'm using the main camera of course, and this is sa photo. So sa photo, meron tayong 6.6, 1, 3, 5, and yung 10. And you can zoom this one up until 100. Yun ang pinaka-maximize na zoom in ng ating S24 Ultra when it comes sa main camera niya. We also have here portrait, and you also have an option to zoom in the pictures up until 5. And then we have video. Sa video, ayan, may option ka dito for resolution. Ayan, kung gusto mong 8K, ayan, Full HD, HD+, Ultra HD, something like that. And then, 30 to 60 FPS, you also have an option. Sa more naman, sa main camera, meron tayo dito Expert RAW, Pro Video, Night, Food, Panorama, Slow Motion, Hyperlapse, Portrait Video, Dual Record, single take, and of course meron din tayong option dito sa taas yung AR zone nila. As you can see in here, ayan, meron kang way to create your own emoji. So sa kanila dito, meron ditong AR emoji studio, AR emoji camera, AR emoji sticker, and also AR emoji doodle. So we are going to explore that later on. So front facing camera naman, So, of course, wala kang option to zoom in ng sobra yung selfie or front-facing camera. Pero meron kang option para, alam mo na, medyo i-wide ng onte yung camera niya, yung front-facing camera niya. You also have portrait in here. You also have an option to wide, not super wide ha, unlike the main camera. So, we also have video in here. More same feature sa ating front-facing camera niya. Sa taas na dito ang ating settings, of course. Ayan, pwede kang maglagay ng watermark. Ayan. And also, we have an option to turn on the flash. Ayan, timer. We have a timer in here. Ito yung resolution or frame size ng yung camera. You also have a, full this one. Ayan. And then filter. They have a lot of filter in here to smoothen your skin. Ayan. So, that is the camera of this Samsung S24. Let's try the main camera of this S24 Ultra when it comes to video naman. So video sample of S24 Ultra. I'm currently using the main camera na meron 200 megapixel. As you can see right there. Ayan. And let's try the 0.6. Video times 3. Look at that. 5. And also 10. Sorry, ito pala yung 5 and then ito yung 10. But you can zoom the video up until 20. You can zoom the video up until 20. Ayan. Hold on. Let me just see. Oh. Ayan. You also have an option to zoom in or to flip the camera. So let's try the front-facing camera. I'll just have to click this option. And then bam. We are already using the front-facing camera. So let's check the quality of this S24 Ultra. So, maganda yung quality ng S24 Ultra when it comes sa main camera niya. So, next naman is try natin mag-take ng picture using main camera. So, we have here some samples. This one, my Buttercup collection from Miniso. So, we have here 0.6, 0.5, 0.1, 1 times zoom in. We also have 3, 5, 10. Yan yung 10. Let's try to capture also zoom in naman ng 100%. So, zoom in up until 100. Buksan lang natin ang ating window. And then, let's try. Wait lang. Wala kasi ako maganda. Ayun, yun na lang yung tower. So, ito yung original na itsura niya. Ayun yung tower na pinicturean natin. As you can see. Right there. Ayun yung pinicturean natin. And then, zoom in natin siya up until 100. Ang ganda pa rin ng 100 times na zoom ha. Ayan yung 100 times na zoom. Ito yung kinukuha ko. Yung tower na yan. Okay. So, yun yung quality ng ating main camera niya. Let's try to check naman yung selfie camera. So, ito yung selfie camera niya. And then, let's try portrait also. So, we have here i-lower natin yung ating brightness para medyo nakikita nyo. Okay. So, ayan. Let's take a photo using this AR nila. So, let's try this. Well, actually, madami silang feature when it comes sa AR nila. So, comment down below lang kayo if you want to explore more about this S24 Ultra sa kanilang AR feature. So, ito yung previously na na-capture natin using AR nila. Hold on. Ayun o, AR emoji. Ang cute eh. So, I'll be showing you guys some pictures and also videos dito sa ating S24 Ultra. Ilalagay ko na lang siya somewhere sa ating video. And let's proceed sa sharing my own feedback when it comes sa ating Samsung S24 Ultra. Example of S24 Ultra, I'm currently using the main camera na meron 200 megapixel. As you can see right there. Ayan. And let's try the 0.6. Video times 3, look at that, 5, and also 10. Sorry, ito pala yung 5 and then ito yung 10. But you can zoom the video up until 20. You can zoom the video up until 20. Ayan. Hold on, let me just see. Oh. Ayan. You also have an option to zoom in or to flip the camera. So let's try the front facing camera. I'll just have to click this option, and then bam, we are already using the front facing camera. So let's try the quality of this S24 Ultra. So that's the camera samples and also review when it comes sa ating S24 Ultra. Let's proceed naman sharing you guys my own feedback when it comes sa camera ng phone na to. Well, to be honest, mga ka-J-Vlog, if you're going to ask me sa camera nitong ating S24 Ultra, yes, actually, it is good. Superb and high quality of camera. Because sa 200 megapixel na camera niya, ang ganda na kagad na binigay sa ating feature ni Samsung. But, again, sa camera, front-facing camera ni Samsung, hindi ko alam, pero hindi talaga ako fan ng mga, you know, camera na may option to smoothen your face, something like that. But, the selfie camera of this phone is actually fine. Ang ganda din ng mga nakuha akong pictures dito. Meron ka pang option or meron pa silang AR emoji, something like that, or mirror, yung parang emoji siya na ginagaya kung ano yung mga ginagawa, like speaking, something like that. Of course, if you're going to ask me, Maring Ana, are going to recommend this S24 Ultra ngayon 2025? Of course, yes. If you are, again, if you're not a fan of iPhone, one of my recommendation when it comes sa mga brands is Samsung talaga. Kasi yung mga Ultra ni Samsung is superb talaga yung quality. Nakita niyo naman yung S22 Ultra na kinamera review natin previously, di ba? Ang ganda din ng camera nun. For me, it's fine din at wala namang problema sa S24 Ultra. Maganda yung camera niya at maganda din yung kanyang chipset and also storage. Ang ganda din ng kanyang display, hindi na siya edgy. Ayan, as you can see right there. So, ang ganda din ng design niya. Tingnan naman sa pen, maganda din yung pen nito. Actually, na physical review naman na to ni J-Vlog. And as you can see, ayan. Maganda naman yung pen niya. So, let's try this one sa typing naman. Di mo, ang ganda talaga. Ang ganda talaga ng S24 Ultra, guys, to be honest. I haven't yet tried this pagdating sa you know, sa gaming, but I can say na since malaki yung display niya, maganda talaga siya din pang gaming. So yes, I can recommend S24 Ultra ngayong 2025 if nagbabudget ka lang naman and medyo mataas pa sa'yo si S24 Ultra. Instead of purchasing S24 Ultra, go with S22 Ultra o 24 Ultra kasi maganda din naman yung mga camera nun. So, yes, I can recommend this phone. Superb po yung quality ng camera ng ating S24 Ultra. Pagdating sa kanyang main camera, apakaganda po niyan. And pagdating kasi sa front-facing camera, iPhone pa rin talaga yung mas preferred ko. Though, again, meron pong filter si iPhone. Pero mas gusto ko talaga si iPhone when it comes sa selfie camera or camera. So, again, mga ka-J-Vlog, I can recommend this one. If you're not a fan of iPhone, go ahead and purchase Samsung instead. Ultra version nila, magaganda yan, mga ka-J-Vlog. And, I'm not a pro. Again, inuulit ko ilang beses ko itong uulitin sa previews, sa vlog natin at sa magiging vlog pa natin na hindi po ako pro pagdating sa pagre-review ng mga units. I'm just sharing you guys my own feedback and thoughts about this phone, kung ano ba yung nakita ko sa kanyang camera. So, that's it, mga ka-J-Vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below kung ano pa ba yung mga, alam nyo, mga suggestion nyo sa ating vlogs, or mag-comment din kayo kung ano yung mga napansin nyo sa S24 Ultra na hindi ko nabanggit. I can go ahead and check that for you guys and review also. So, thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc by yours.